Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fedo. If this is your first time stopping by, and if this is not your first time, you already know the vibes, you know how we do it here. So for the first timers, please click on the subscribe button, give this video a big thumbs up, like, share, and check out my other video but after this video. So guys, today I'll be filming like an affordable skincare product. I'll be filming an affordable skincare product you can get in the market or the supermarket or anywhere around you that you can see this product. I'm so sorry about the light. In case the light is not so bright, I'm really sorry. There's no light and I really want to film this video, so please pardon me. My channel is not always like this. You can check out from my previous video. You know how we do it here for old subscribers, but for new ones, this is not how we are. So please just pardon me and click the subscribe button. So let's get right into the video. So guys, the first thing I'm talking about, I think, is like face wash, or like, yeah, face wash. I don't really have like a specific face wash. Just use normal regular soap, and I'll be showing you the soap I use on my face. And you can also try out other soaps, maybe they work for you, but this is the soap I use on my face and on my body. I really suffer from acne, like that is another story for another day. Like, I'll be spilling that all the stories and the history and blah 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 in a separate video. Let's just focus on what we have here. I said I'll be talking about face wash, like something you could use to wash your face. So the first one I'll be talking about is this soap, which is Delta soap. Please note that this is not like a sponsor or like a promotion video. It's just something that I have used before, and I just say let me come on here and tell you guys, my lovely family and friends. And yeah, so I started using this Delta soap, I think sometime, I think, is it 2020 ending or 2021? I don't really know, and it has really done the job for me, this Delta soap. I know they have the aloe vera one, but I have not tried it. This is the one I use, so I'll recommend this one for you guys. You guys can try it out. And I also heard that Xoxo is good, but I don't know about that. I have not tried Xoxo. I wanted to get it in the market, but I forgot, because the shop I asked, they were like they don't have it, and I wanted to go to the next shop, so I just forgot because I was buying a lot of things. So this is the soap I use on my body. As time goes on, I'll be like try out other soap and other things, but for now this is what I use. And please, you can follow me on my social media handles if you are not following me, because a lot are going on there. Yeah, face wash that I'm talking about is this Nivea Perfect and Radiant Even Tone Cleansing Foam. I've done like a video on this before, but I did it on Instagram too. That's why I say you should follow me on my Instagram page, because a lot are going on there, and if you don't, you miss out a lot. You just only be getting half of what is going on, which is the YouTube side. You'll not be getting the full package. So I've used it to do a video on Instagram. Like I said, this is not a promotion video. I'm just doing it because I love you guys and I want you guys to glow. So this is it. It's for normal to combination skin, deeply cleans, gently purifies skin. It contains vitamin E too. I think most Nivea products contain vitamin E, and vitamin E is really good for the skin, so you can try this out. I've used it before and it foams well, so you can try it out. I don't really use this, but from time to time I do, so you can try it out to see if it will work for you, and let me know at the comment section when you get this product and use them how it went for you. The second step into affordable skincare product you can get is this toner. Like, I'm going into toner now, and I'm talking about this toner. This is the Perfect and Radiant Even Tone 3-in-1 Micellar Water. I've done a video like an affordable skincare routine. Please check out that video on my channel. I'll link it somewhere up, but in case I forget, the link will always be at the description box, and you can also check out my channel for that video. I've used this before in my affordable skincare video, and it really worked for me, because that time was during Hamatan and my skin was really good, so you can check it out. You can get this for, is it 3,000 or 3,500? Yes, 3,000 or 3,500. That is the amount of for this, and you can also use it to clean your makeup. So that's why I recommend, instead of you using wipes or some other this thing, you can use this to clean your makeup. It does the job well. It does the job really well. So you can get this toner. Another toner I'll be talking about is this, my boot rose water traditional skincare glycerin and rose water. This is really good for your skin. The reason why I recommend this is that it has glycerin, and glycerin does the work of like a moisturizer on your skin. So when you tone your skin, it doesn't just leave your skin to dry out. So you can get this for your skin. This is really affordable. It's from like 1,000 to 1,500 depending on where you're getting it from. So that's why I really recommend this for me. On the body, they even want it here, toning and moisturizing, and you can get this. I just started using this and I am loving it very well. So guys, the next step into this affordable skincare product you can get is our face cream or face moisturizers. This is the next step we are going into, and this is very necessary for your skin because it doesn't just leave your skin to dry out or just there. It's like it gives your skin or rather your face a sense of moisture, and it doesn't just leave your skin to dry out. So you can get any of these moisturizers, which I'll be like showing you guys. Actually, I just have 2 moisturizers here to share with you guys. You can try them out, they really work well. So yeah, let's get right into it. The first moisturizer I'll be talking about is this Nivea Perfect and Radiant Evo Day cream. This cream is good, it's good. Please, this is not a promotion, like I said earlier. I just have to repeat this so you guys know. So this is what the cream looks like. It has like a foil coverage on it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I hope. But this is what the cream looks like. You can get this for 2,500 naira. And there's one thing about this cream: when you apply it on your face, it gives your skin, or rather your face, this kind of hot feeling on it, and I do not like that feeling. So that's why most times I don't really use it, because it gives my face this hotness feeling. I don't know why. Maybe it has a job that it's doing, but I don't know. Let me know at the comment section if you have tried out this product and how it was on your skin. Guys, next face cream or face moisturizer I'll be going into is this goji berry facial cream. Like I said, it contains retinol and other stuff which are really good for your skin, so you can get it. So let me show you what this cream looks like. This is what the cream looks like, and I got this for 2,000 naira. So the price ranges from 2,000 to, let me say, 3,000, just where you're getting it from, just depending on the store, the shop, the market, or wherever you are getting this from. So this is what it looks like. It has something covering it. So this is what the cream looks like, and I'm really loving it. I'm really loving it on my skin, so you can get it and try it out. So guys, if you have not checked out my affordable hair care product video, please make sure you check it out. It's on my channel already, so please check it out. So you can get any of this facial cream like I was saying and try it out on your skin. They really work, and right now this is what I'm using and I'm really loving it, and it's affordable. So you can get any of these products and try them out on your skin. The next thing I'm talking about is a facial serum, and this is the only facial serum I have here. This is the Premier Vitamin C serum. In my affordable skincare video, yes, I used Lotion. If you have not seen that video, please check out that video. It's already on my channel. Check it out and watch it. I'll link it somewhere, or it will be in the description box, and you can just check it out. I used Lotion, but this one, I just got this one new, and this is what it's looking like. I really like it. It gives your face this shiny feeling and the rest. So this is what it's looking like. It has like, see, so you can get it. This is really affordable. 1,500 to 2,000. It's not pass. You can even get it cheaper. So this is really affordable. so you can get this for your face, or you get lotion, which I used in my affordable skincare video. You can get that facial serum, any of the two you want. And there are also good facial serums that you can get in the market. You just have to know your skin and what works for you. I'll be talking about here is body moisturizers, and I have a quite number of few, and from like 3 are from the same brand. So this and this. Please, this is not a promotion. So I'm using this one currently on my skin. I really like this one. I've tried out this one. This one is the natural fairness clarifying. I don't really like this, but it's really good. But I prefer this on my skin. It gives me this inner glow and shine. This is the rich nourishing deep moisture serum. You can see it. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. I really like this one. This is what I usually rub on my skin after I have my bath, and I really like it. You can check it out if you want to get it. You can check it out and see whether it works for you. This is another. This is the natural fairness. I get to just even your skin and like make your skin to pop. Another one is this vanilla. This is like one of their newest products also. So I don't really know. I've just used this once. It's very light. I don't really like the light one. I prefer this one because this one is more thicker. So I don't know. You can try it and see whether it works for you. Yeah, but I don't know. I'm just saying the one I really like is this one because I usually use it every time. Why I like this one, it doesn't make me sweat. I just feel fresh and pretty. So the next one I'll be going into is this Palmer's cocoa butter formula. Palmer's product are really top notch. I actually started using Palmer's before I started using Nivea. So this Palmer's is the Heal Soften, Relieve Rough and Dry Skin 24 hours moisture. These Palmer's products that are also very good, and they have nice scent. If I can eat this thing, so I'll eat it. It's really nice, so you can get it. Just that sometimes this cream tends to make me sweat, but I think it's very perfect during Harmattan season, so you can get this. This is really good. This is a good body moisturizer you can get. So yeah, you can get any of these. Another affordable body moisturizer I'm talking about is your shea butter. Shea butter is really essential in everything that you are doing. I believe that every house should have a shea butter. This is really essential to all, either your hair, your skin. This is good. So you can get a shea butter and use it too as a moisturizer. Shea butter works for some people very well. Once you're using their skin, you'll be like, wow, what cream are you using? And you just be like shea butter. So people tend not to believe, but me, I don't really use shea butter on my skin. Just once in a while I use it. So you can get shea butter also. This is affordable. And guys, I forgot to tell you guys the prices about this. So this one I got it for 1,600. So the price is between 1,600 to 2,000 depending on where you are getting it from. This one is like 2,500 or so. This one is between 1,700 and 1,800. I don't know, the prices may have increased. You know what is happening right now, so I don't know. It depends on where you are getting them from. And this cream maybe 3,000 or 3,500, if not 4,000, because it's been a while I got this cream, and you know what is happening in the country. I'm talking about this cotton crowns. You can use it for your when toning. This one is very good for makeup, so I recommend this when you are using the micellar water because it removes makeup and it does the job very well. So you can get this when you're using it. I don't really like this shell because when I'm cleaning my face, it tends to tear. I don't know, maybe I'm using so much force, but it has like a lock, a zip lock, something like that, so your cotton wool does not get dirty. And yeah, you can try this. I don't know for you. Then I have my cotton wool. This is what I use. I just use my cotton wool and rest. If you even watch my affordable skincare video, you know that's my cotton wool I use and rest. I don't have time, so you can get the cotton wool. This is cheap, 300, 500. You can get it. Maybe this one 500 to 1,000. It may be more expensive, I don't know. So yeah, I'm just giving you like products you can try out on your skin. This product that I'm sharing with you guys, I have used them and they are working for my skin. And so I forgot to add this in the video when I was filming, so I just let me come and add it up here. So I got this exfoliating. So guys, before we get right back into the video, I just want to give you a piece of advice. Kindly get this sponge. Like, get this sponge. It does the job perfectly well. That sponge, I've seen people use this sponge, so it's really good for like scrubbing your body. So I got it and I want to try it out and see how whether it works for me, and I will let you guys know the result. But I really hope it does. I got this sponge for 300 or so, and yeah, but I'm sure it's going to do the job. They say it scrubs body very well, so you guys can also get it for yourself, and let us journey together in this. So yeah, I just want to quickly put it and update you all. I'm really sorry about the noise. My neighbor just put on their gen, and there's nothing we can do about that. Everywhere is really hot, and we need breeze, we need fan, we need light. So I'm really sorry about the noise. But yeah, we have come to the end of the video. I've showed you guys affordable skincare products you can get on your skin. You can try them out. Let me know how it went at the comment section, what you got, how much you got them, and so many things. And if you're finding it hard to get any of this product, you can let me know at the comment section. I'll like find a way to like get through to you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you all so much. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share if you haven't done any of those things. Check out my other videos. If not, now you didn't miss, so if you forget to check out my other videos. And until then, see you in my next video. Love and light. Bye.